Hello guys, good day and welcome to another weekly update episode 74. So guys, how have you been? So this week actually this is what we've started already. We start about 2 days ago. We've made some bag again, and this is what we are trying to make now. We are making this clipper bag for our clients, the people we supply. The ones we have are finished, so we need to make a new one. So that is the measurement there on the board. It's just 6 by 5 by 8, and the handle is 11, double the handle, which is 22, and where the zip starts from is 3. Then I think the zip top is 14. Then this bottom here is around 14. Okay, the zip is around 11 point something. Then the side, the bottom, and the down is around 14.5. So that is it. And yesterday we didn't get to finish most of the zip because our zip finished. I just went to the market to get more zip. So as you can see, this is a roll of zip, 200 yards. This is how it comes in pack. Before we normally use YKK zip, I don't know what happened now. The people that supply us stop bringing YKK zip, or maybe it's because it's expensive. So this one we get now, this YX zip, and as you can see, this is black, 200 yards. So today we continue with the rest of the work. As you can see, I think we are supposed to make 16 of this, and this is one already. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I think this should be 4 because we are supposed to make 16. So probably once the apprentice and the students come, they will continue with the rest of the work. My desk is still like this. And by the way, yesterday I bought a zip and this ashoki material for a client. There's this particular project we need to do. I still have this for about few months ago I did, but now they need a full one. That's the reason why I just ordered for this again and went to the market to get it yesterday. So our bag we make last week are still here. We've not supplied them, but they are well done. So probably I'll be packaging them one of these days very soon. I'll just package them and arrange them, keep them. Once she's ready, we'll send it to her. So that's the update so far for now. How the work goes, I will still update you guys and let you guys know what we are up to at the shop again. The outside is just empty the way it is. We've not sent this particular bag, but hopefully this week we will send them and you will get to see in this week updates. Probably if we are going to even send them, even if it's not this week, I have to extend this weekly update to 2 places. Not 2 video, just 1 video, but in 2 weeks, so that you can see how we package this and we'll be sending it. By the way, it's very early in the morning. I've not even opened this window, as you guys can see. Even this one is going, is almost the bag that will be going. So once we send the bags, the one that is left, you guys will get to see them. So that's just the update so far. So probably again I am going to a meeting, a seminar. So once they start this, I might not be around to like film the time lapse and show you everything, but I will try my best once I come back, probably tomorrow, to show you guys what we have made so far, how the work is going. So guys, finger crossed. I will just update you. So enough talking. For those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, use this time to subscribe. Also remember to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload a new video on the channel. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on this particular weekly update we are making for you. Share this video with people you know it might be of help to them. And guys, I will see you in the next clips. Don't let me promise, if anything come up, you guys will be updated. So thank you guys for watching and bye for now. So guys, just like I promised, right now I brought this outside. I want to like package them. I've just finished taking the picture. The picture will also be available on our Instagram, so probably I will get the pumping nylon now and put this inside. So let me just do that before I will be leaving. So I think, okay, we have some of the nylon here, so I'll just pick one out of these, and hopefully I hope it will contain it. By the way, the place is still very dark, it's early. So maybe let me just put a time lapse so that you guys see the way I will package everything. So guys, this is how I just package this. It's not something we are sending to very far place, we just send it to her, so it's okay this way. It's 50 inside, and this is how we are going to send it to the client. So guys, just to update you guys, see you on the other side later. So guys, right now I'm just doing photo shoots of all this bag. Here are the rest there on the floor, and the mini ones are here as well. So as you can see, I cleared this deck before. I use this place as the background, and everything that is on the sofa there before are there, and I kept some inside here. So you guys have seen, you see a particular bag, the bag we make, I think last week update or last week update, belongs to a client, and the yellow one we used to have here before. So you can see me, I just package it. The client sent someone to come and collect it at the workshop, so I just like gave it to them. So that's the short video you guys just saw now. I forgot this bag to do a photo shoot, so I'll just carry it now and do the photo shoot. So I'm going to arrange here back right now. So once I arrange it back, I will show you guys before I will be going on. No one is here today. Actually, it's weekend. I told you guys that the video is going to extend for me to show some activities. So, and the packaging as well. So I just did the photo shoot, the packaging as well. I will also do the packaging before sending. So probably it will be included in this week updates and this video. So see you at the next clips after I've arranged all the shop. So guys, I just put the machine back where it belongs. Then if I can leave this place like this for clients when they come, it would have been better. But if I should leave that, where am I going to put all of this? The whole of the where are we going to put it? So these are the bags. Actually, it's just 21 of these that is going to be sending. So the rest are for sale. Like one of those one with long strap, one of those are not going, but this row, the second row is going, the third row is going, these are not going, and this. So I already arranged ones that are going there. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 and 21. So guys, that's just it. This is where we end this video for today. We shall continue on the packaging tomorrow once the students are around, and I will still update you guys on how things will be going at the workshop. Thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day. See you guys tomorrow. So guys, welcome to the end of this week update. As you can see, I promise you guys that I must have packaged this before I will end this vlog. Actually, we've started another vlog today, but we try our best to end this one, so it will be uploaded today. All the bag, as you can see, that are filled up here, is packaged here. It's just one that is left. So those one, there are some red and ash that is also available. We package them here, they are also going. So this here now is 21 bag, plus this here is 3, that's 24 bags. And all these ones too, you guys should be you see how we make most of this on next week update, because we have started the video already and we show you guys this. So it's a branded bag. We do branding as well, we help the person to do branding, so you see it in next week update. Finger crossed. So guys, thank you guys for watching. As I promised you, I kept my promise. I try my best to do this. So this is where I'll be ending this week update. Thank you guys for watching. Much love. I really appreciate you guys for keeping with us, for watching our video, for commenting. Those of you that say you really like watching us, thank you guys so much. Really appreciate you guys. And this is where we end it. If you are new, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. When you subscribe, don't also forget to turn on the post notification bell, so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on this particular week update, and I will try my best to answer all your questions. And by the way, as I always said, our training are also available, both online and physical training, and all these our bags are for sale. If you are an upcoming vendor, we can help you out to send you our bag for you to sell. Or if you want a private bag, you want your own design as a private label, we do that as well. So that's what we just did to these clients now, and we are sending it to them hopefully tomorrow, because it's already night now. Guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.